What is up, Telliscopes? I am coming to you from my super messy bathroom. I am exposing myself today. This is the area where I film, and it has gotten completely out of control. So I felt like today was a good day. It's like the beginning of 2021, and I don't really want to go into this new year with this super messy, cluttered space. I really want to just get this together. So I felt like this was a good thing that I could do with you guys, and we could do a clean with me. So we're gonna see how this goes. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, like when I'm cleaning up, just let me know. And I'm also planning on going to the Dollar Tree very soon to pick up some kind of like organization containers and things like that. So let me know if you guys want to see what I pick up from there, because I can definitely do a video on that as well. Alright, I'm just gonna jump into this because even just looking at this on the camera is team too much right now. Like, it's just over the top. So I'm about to set up the camera and I'm gonna get started cleaning, and we're gonna see what I can do with all of this. As you guys can see, this is also where I do my filming. Here's my background, and I just feel like I need this space to be so much cleaner and just clearer and just breathable, and I can't even talk. I feel like that's just gonna make my videos just better and just make my environment so much better. And this is just a great move for 2021. Before I jump into cleaning, I just want to say welcome back to all my subbies, my telescopes. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button right below this video. And also make sure you ring that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started.
Nobody knows. Not a bad question.
Okay, this is the progress that I've made so far. I'm probably gonna call it a day at this point. I didn't really do too much over here just because I kind of need all this stuff. I guess I could have moved a few of these things. I'm still, this is still a work in progress for sure. Here are a few things that I took off of the counter that I'm not really using anymore. If you guys want to hear what I have to say about these products, let me know down below in the comments because I can definitely do a video. Some of these are empties and others are just products that I don't really use anymore or I didn't like. And I also threw a bunch of stuff in the trash, which I am very happy about. And these are the skincare products that I use every day or almost every day. This is my deodorant. This is like the gel I used this week, a little sneak peek. And this is just a balm that I like from Burt's Bees, ointment. And then this is a butter from Flora & Curl, which I like this. I feel like it gives your hair a nice shine, but I don't use it very often. I want to find some other ways to use it. And this is my little area with the things I use for my videos. I have like the little mic covers, some glasses cleaners. I don't even know what this is, and some pins. And I also keep my mic in there. I really want to work on this area over here because it is still a mess. It's just a mess of headbands and scarves and things like that, and I just need to get it in order. And I feel like that's what I'm going to go to Dollar Tree for, to find something to, separate all this stuff and make it look way more neat. But I think that I am off to a good start because it was looking terrible and now it's looking decent. And then I also have this little thing of makeup. I did get these containers. I also have this thing of makeup, and I did get these containers from Dollar Tree already. So I'm hoping they kind of have some different options because they didn't have that much, or the one I went to didn't have that many options the last time I was there. I also might want to find some kind of like stand with drawers in it that I can separate these things that way, and I could put that underneath this counter because there's like a lot of space down here. So, let me know if you guys have any ideas, any cheap organization bin ideas or anything. Just let me know down below in the comments. what I wanted to say about this makeup is like my makeup collection is definitely growing. So I feel like, especially because I have palettes and I don't really have a place to put these palettes, they're kind of just in my room. So I do want to, I think I am going to get something with drawers that I can really organize this stuff with. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and shout out to my husband Brandon for filming this for me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. I don't really enjoy cleaning, but I really enjoyed the finished product, and I can't wait till it looks even better than this. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and thank you so much for making it to the end. Bye!